And at the moment, I've got a dead cat in my mouth. Okay, so testing. Reasons to be cheerful, 1, 2 and 3. Initial DJI wireless mic test, visor up. We're going to check it for normal clarity. I'm going to see what it's like talking with this thing shoved right up against my face. And at the moment, I've got a dead cat in my mouth. Come on. And we've also got a slightly revised viewpoint, because I've had to put an extension. Yeah, I'm not happy about dead cat in the mouth, to be honest. There's got to be a better way. Yeah, it's called buying a new helmet. Yeah, I've had to put an extension in to bring the camera forward from the front of the helmet to get the wireless receiver in. Oh, I can do my OBD code as well. I forgot about that. Oh, come on, these fucking traffic lights. Oh, see what you've done? See what you've done? Do you know, I just don't think I'm going to have the time to get this dialed in. I'm off up to Manchester Saturday, and we got rain forecast for pretty much the whole of the week, off and on. Not only that, the clocks have gone back, haven't they? So it's pitch black by 5:30. You know, when it's dark, wet and cold, it's not really high on the list of things that you feel like doing when you get in from work. Excuse me. It's not your first thought, is I know I'm going to have tea and then get the bike out Right, I'm really not happy with dead cat in the mouth. Right, visor down. I can't help but think that this wireless mic thing is a failed experiment for this setup, this helmet. Oh, look at you, you pricks. I need to get some speed up. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? The very worst kind of damp, isn't it, that is? It's not wet, 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 it's just damp, damp, damp. Oh, that's why the traffic's so crap. Football. Do you know what? I'd rather have fucking herpes than go and watch Yeovil Town play. Each to their own, of course, you know. So I hear you ask, why am I going up to Manchester? This will be my third. Do you know what? I've never been to Manchester, or I hadn't ever been to Manchester until October of this year. And then I will have been to Manchester 3 times in nearly as many weeks. So the first 2, don't ask. Number 3 will be this coming Saturday, which may well have been and gone for you, I don't know, by the time this ever airs, if it does. And I'm going up to do the Ring of Red. And if you don't know what the Ring of Red is, well, it's in aid of Remembrance Sunday. Get thousands of bikes, and they do a lap of the M60/M62, which circumnavigates Manchester. This year is its 10th anniversary. Last year there was 4,500 bikes. Now I saw Ainsworth Rider do it last year, and I thought, well, that looks like something I'd like to do. And so I'm going to be doing it this year with Derek from Solo Moto UK, with the one and only Ainsworth Rider, and Nick from the Silver Fox Travels. Might put in a star appearance, weather depending. So I've got my accommodation booked. So it's been a bit manic trying to get all these components together, like the sat-nav wired in, the Jivi bar, and now my engine fault code. Just all odds and sods that you need to put together, or that I wanted to put together. Well, I didn't manage to get any speed up.